Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox a Trezor Model 1. So I've just received mine in the mail, and as soon as you receive yours you need to check to make sure the seals are intact. Otherwise, if they're not, you should contact Trezor support, and I'm going to leave the link to Trezor support in the description below, as well as the Trezor official website link. So now let's go ahead and unbox. Opening the Trezor box does take a while, so I'm going to fast forward this bit. Okay, and now here finally I've got the box open. And I'm going to discard the box. So first off, we've got the wire, which you can use to connect the Trezor to your laptop. The Trezor itself, and the foamy bit that keeps all the items in the box in place. Now these bits of paper over here are for you to write the seed phrase of the Trezor device. And you've got 2 copies. And a couple of stickers, one in black, one in white. And this is about getting started, so how you set up your Trezor. And a couple of square stickers, same as the others, but square. And a bit over here, so if you want to carry your ledger around, you have a lanyard, small lanyard. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.